Hello everyone, my name is Raushan from India. I'm a native Hindi speaker and tutor of this language. In this video, I'm going to help you how to learn Hindi Matras. In Hindi language, Matra is basically the short format of any vowels. Matra refer to diacritical marks or symbol of a vowel in this language. These marks are placed above, before, after, and below of a consonant to modify its pronunciation and sound. Matras are crucial in accurately representing Hindi words and pronunciation. They play a significant role in Hindi script and are essential for the proper reading and writing of Hindi language. So without any delay, we are going to start this chapter. So these are Hindi vowels. This one is the first group and this one is the second group. And each and every vowels has a short format, like A has a symbol, this E has this symbol, right? So everyone has a symbol. So this one is a O and O has a no matra. So there is no matra, right? A has this symbol. So if I'm taking ka as a consonant, so we have to add after, after ka, this a ki matra. This one is a soft tone E. So soft tone E has this symbol and we add in consonant in this way. Consonant and before. Okay. Hard tone E. For this we have this symbol and we add in consonant in this way after the consonant. This one is a soft tone U. So O we add in this way. Soft tone and hard tone has this symbol, this matra. So we add in this way. So A has this symbol and we add in this way with consonant K. I has a two symbol, on the top side. So I, this is our, any consonant will be here and we will add in this way. O has this matra and we add in this way. O. Au has this symbol and we add in consonant in this way. Here will be consonant, any consonant, right? And matra will be here. Ang. Ang has a dot, a small dot. So we add in this way above, above the consonant. Ang. Ah has a two dot, but we add in this way with consonant, ka. Without knowing Hindi matra, you will be not able to read Hindi language and you will be not able to write Hindi language. So it's a very important to learn matras, right? Later, once we start the reading, then after that you will realize how important is it. I will meet you in the next upcoming lesson, and till the time, if you want to take my personal classes, that is also available. And till the time, take care and keep smiling.